Wow, guys, this is so super cute. Oh my god, so adorable. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमिली। क्या हाल है? सो गाइज, आज मैं एक म्यूजिक वीडियो रिएक्शन करने वाली हूँ ऑन द सॉन्ग मैं ये हाथ जो। ओके, एंड स्टारिंग, ओह माय गॉड, Vishal Pandey and Sameeksha Sood, and it's by Z Music Company. And guys, already 30 minutes ho chuke since the song has been released, so ज़्यादा minute waste करके let's watch. And it's been sung by Stebin Ben. So oh my god, I'm super excited. So I'm watching to watch on my phone, and here I go. So the cover looks super amazing, and it's so very cute. So guys, let's watch.
मैं तुम्हें यहाँ रोज आते हुए देखता हूँ, अकेले। किसी का इंतजार कर रही हो?
तुमसे मतलब? ओह शिट, आई एम गेटिंग लेट।
मैं ये हाथ जो तेरे हाथ पे रख दूं, क्या चलेगा फलक तलक तू। मैं हूँ कतरा, तू मेरी नदिया, क्या बहेगा सागर तलक तू। मैं ये हाथ जो तेरे हाथ पे रख दूं, हर सांस जो तेरे नाम भी लिख दूं।
तुझ पे एक नज़्म सी थी जो लिखी, पन्ने ले गई वो हवा। है तो छिपा, ढूंढो तो तुम जवाब, नैनों की बनी दो दराज।
पर्दे शर्म की दीवारें, इनमें मिलता दरवाजा ना। दिल है अध खुला लिफाफा।
मैं ये हाथ जो तेरे हाथ पे रख दूं, हर सांस जो तेरे नाम भी लिख दूं।
और सुबह खुली आंखें तेरी पहलू में, दुनिया के बनाए सारे गम भी सहलू में। पतझड़ सावन बहार आए आ जाए, तेरी लकीरों में मेरा नसीबा।
मैं ये हाथ जो तेरे हाथ पे रख दूं, क्या चलेगा फलक तलक तू। मैं हूँ कतरा, तू मेरी नदिया, क्या बहेगा सागर तलक तू।
मैं ये हाथ जो तेरे हाथ पे रख दूं, हर सांस जो तेरे नाम भी लिख दूं।
मैं फिर से लेट हो रही हूँ।
मैं ये हाथ जो तेरे हाथ पे रख दूं, हर सांस जो तेरे नाम भी लिख दूं।
Wow, guys, this is so super cute. Oh my god, so adorable. Okay, so मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये गाना. Like it's so very adorable, guys, and the way Samira Kopikar sang, guys, was so amazing. Like उनकी voice जो है, like it's suited with the music so amazingly, and मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा लगा वो सुन के. So it was like wow. So मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनका गाना, and Stephen Bin, as always, he's super awesome. So both of their vocals were amazing, and वो part सच में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I literally enjoyed the song. And coming back to Sameeksha and Vishal, उन दोनों की जोड़ी तो was like wow. So it was like thumbs up for me. So I literally enjoyed watching both of them, and I literally loved it. And honestly, guys, matlab, it feels amazing when you see some people falling in love, and when you like fall in love for the first time, it's seriously, it's like wow and stuff like that. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, लेकिन आई हैव सीन पीपल हु हैव लाइक फॉलन इन लव एंड रिएक्टिंग लाइक दिस एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड दे हैव लाइक लिटरली लाइक दे हैव चेंज्ड, एंड लाइक फ्रॉम 0 to 100 आई हैव सीन पीपल. सो इट हैपन्स लाइक दिस, एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग दैट यू कैन रियली एक्सपीरियंस, एंड दैट यू कैन रियली लाइक watch and be happy about it. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये देखने में. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट, मतलब जब समीक्षा एक पेंटिंग देती है टू विशाल, दैट वाज सुपर अमेजिंग, एंड आई लव दैट जेस्चर. ऑनेस्टली, आई मीन द लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू से दैट यू लव समवन, you can like say it in like gesture or something. So वो part मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I love that part. So honestly, it's like 10 on 10 for me. It's like thumbs up. So I loved it and I enjoyed it thoroughly. So yeah, I mean मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये गाना. After so much, like after like a long time, I can say this, that Vishal and Sameeksha both are looking so amazing. Like they look so perfect together, and I don't know, I think that they should be a couple. So matlab, I hope that they like, I really want them to be, okay, they look so adorable together and it looks really amazing. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उन दोनों को देखने में. So I really loved it, honestly. So yeah, I mean it's like a thumbs up for me. It's like a cute love song. So guys, go and watch it out. It's on Z Music Company. So it's super amazing, and it's been already like what, 45 minutes or so. So go and watch it out. And ये गाना honestly, long drive, rain, and the person who you really love, or with your friends, you can just go and listen to it. It's like I am going to listen to this song when it rains and stuff like that. So I really loved it and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, that's what I felt about this whole video, and it's like a thumbs up, like a big thumbs up for me. So yeah, this is just that fat girl. Oh, one more thing is that, guys, if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And also, guys, share this video. Please share karo if you agree with me, and also comment down below about how you felt about this entire video, and also about how you felt about the video मैं ये हाथ जो so I enjoyed it. Did you? Comment down below. So yeah, this is Emil Rudra, that fat girl, and thank you so much guys for the love and support. It really means a lot, guys. The reaction videos are going to are coming soon, so stay tuned for that. मुझे सच में time नहीं मिलता honestly, so I'm trying my best to take out time and like you know do the videos for you. And honestly sometimes क्या होता है कि the links that you guys give वो download nahi hota, so for that the videos are not made, so please don't be disappointed, please stay tuned. So yeah, this is Amir Rudra, that fat girl, and also suggest me videos on which you want me to react. So yeah, and how do I look? Do I look good or do I look bad? I don't know, comment down below. So yeah, this is Amir Rudra, that fat girl. Bye, have a great day always. Oh, it's still recording.